This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its 16 terraced lakes, joined by waterfalls that extend into a limestone canyon. The lakes are known for their distinctive colors, ranging from azure to green, gray, or blue. The colors change constantly, depending on the quantity of minerals or organisms in the water and the angle of sunlight. The park's geological process of Travertine barrier formation, a type of limestone deposited by the action of moss, algae, and bacteria, is an ongoing process, continuously changing the landscape.